Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tyler.
And I'm David. Thanks for joining us today.
In this episode, we're going to practice small talk in English.
Yes, that's right, Tyler. This episode is called Learn English with Small Talk, Everyday English Conversation for Beginners.
Small talk is short, friendly conversation. We use it every day.
Right. We use it at work, at a cafe, or even in an elevator.
Don't forget to subscribe and practice with us every week.
All right, Tyler, let's get started.
Let's start with a common question. How are you?
Repeat after me. How are you?
Great. You can answer, I'm good, thanks.
Let's say it slowly. I'm good, thanks.
Nice. Another question. How's your day?
That means, how is your day going?
Repeat. How's your day?
Now listen to a mini conversation.
Hi, David. How are you?
I'm good, Tyler. How about you?
I'm great. Nice weather we're having today, right?
Yes, Tyler, it's sunny. I like it.
Small talk is easy and friendly.
Let's practice one more. Nice weather we're having today.
You're improving already.
Let's review today's phrases. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How's your day? Nice weather we're having today.
Great job practicing today. Small talk helps make you feel more confident.
Keep practicing these every day.
You're doing amazing.
Now, tell us, what do you say when you meet someone?
Yes, write it in the comments.
See you next time.
Bye.